Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Tessa and we are in a cloud. That is objectively true. It's currently a massive snowstorm in Toronto. So I'm literally just chilling in the cloud. That's why the lighting is so good. But today we are starting the second episode of the moving series and we're gonna start packing. I won't lie to you, I did start packing yesterday and we will run the footage now. Through a decent amount. Like I did all of the non-essential kitchen stuff. That's literally all that I did. But today I'm gonna tackle the bathroom, this living area with like games, candles, just like random stuff. And then if I have the mental capacity, I'm also gonna get a head start on my clothes. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And then honestly after that there's really not that much other than like furniture and things like that. So I'm excited. I am also gonna start taking things down to the storage locker, just like box by box, suitcase by suitcase, so that on the day of the move, because the storage locker is actually on the same level as the moving elevator, like loading dock area, so it'll just make life so much easier if I can slowly move things down there. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. What do we want to do first? Maybe here. This will be an easy win. Okay, let's do it. Let's do the TV stand first. Okay, I need a box of some sort. Also, if you know, you know. These are my unlucky pants, but I'm wearing them and it's fine. Going for a pretty big box here. Okay, that one's done. I'm also just gonna pack this lacrosse ball. This is kind of a good angle. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, once you've done the declutter, it truly makes the packing process so much easier because you don't have to think about like, hey, am I gonna keep this or not? You literally just have to get the items and throw them in bags or boxes or whatever your moving situation is. So that's my pro tip. Actually, I think I'm gonna use storage bins for my bathroom stuff to move it. Is it stupid? This is honestly the hardest part, is trying to figure out what I'm going to pack in, because I really don't have that much. I have a few like Factor HelloFresh type boxes that I've already filled up with kitchen stuff. I have 2 or 3 like laundry bin, storage bin type situations, and a bunch of suitcases for my clothes. But that's kind of all that I'm working with right now. I might go down to a like store sometime and just see if they have any boxes that they're trying to get rid of. I don't know what to pack my bathroom stuff in. get a text that makes you stop everything that you're doing? Oh my god. I just got a text that my friend, she goes, I have a theory that blank's gay. Blank being her ex-boyfriend. Oh my god, okay. Well, if she's watching this, just know that I cracked up. I'm not gonna answer right now after I film this, but I will get back to you. And that was hilarious. I need another box. Okay, so that you guys can't see me at all. That is all that I've got in me for right now. And now it's time to head over to my friend Holly's place for a little Galentine's moment. I'm excited. I'm not excited to walk half an hour in the snow. I'm also not going to take an Uber because I low-key think that that's going to be worse than walking for some reason. So let's bundle up and go. I'm also not coming home tonight. I'm gonna stay at Tommy's because he's actually writing his level 3 CFA exam literally right now. So I'm just gonna head right to his place from hers and hang out there, and then we will reconvene tomorrow. I did not get to my closet, as you guys would know, so that'll be tomorrow's job. It'll be pretty easy. I just need to throw everything into suitcases. It's crazy though, I need to leave, but it's crazy how much stuff there is outside of like what is already packed. Do you know what I mean? Like, I still have so much stuff out, but that's the stuff that I use day to day, which I guess is a good thing because that means I use most of the things that I own. Okay, I need to go. Let's venture out into the snowstorm. Wish me luck. Being Canadian is so weird because I'm so out of breath. Walking in the snow is so hard, but it's for some reason so peaceful.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I literally you're such a nice apartment.
Okay guys, it's been another 2 days. I haven't done anything in the past 2 days, packing wise. Well, I tried to go down to the storage locker yesterday to take some stuff down, but I couldn't find the key anywhere. It has since been located, but I'm gonna do that tonight. But today we're gonna do the clothes. We're gonna tackle the closets and actually put them all away. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 full-size suitcases and 2 carry-ons that I have access to, so let's just start loading them up. Oh my god, I have so much stuff. Okay, let's do this.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine, gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. Cause maybe I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny we ran out of kicks.
finally doing it. I think it's been another day, if not 2, and I'm finally going to take my stuff down to the storage locker. So I have the key, I have my phone, which is my other key. This is all garbage that I just haven't put away. I don't have milk just chilling on the counter. I don't know what's worse, to be honest. Okay, let's go deal with my laundry. No, not my laundry, my things. I said it before and I'll say it again. If you don't have a wagon, you're stupid. You need one.